June 25th, 2021. Anyway, I got my parts. Hope they're the right ones. Got the upper gear housing gearbox seals. That's your lower seal. This is your upper lower seal. And that one right there is the pinion seal. That little rubber band right there is this seal right here. That seal's for your cap. And them other seals are for various other things, which I'm not going to mess with. So anyway, here's my gasket. I had to have a new gasket. Ordered it from Wholesale Marine. All my parts, shipping, tax, and everything, $32. If you notice there, I got a piston ring compressor. Oh, about to knock my camera over. Anyway, see if I can get it back on. Oh, comes out of the piston ring compressor. Here. Well, anyway, I'm going to go wire wheel that area right here. I'm going to install my new seal. My other new seal, which the other old rubber one's right there somewhere. Anyway, my new seal's right here. Change that seal. I'm going to change that seal. And we're going to polish that input spindle, input shaft. Put a new seal on it. I did this about 2 years ago. I put this seal in right here, which doesn't appear to be the problem. It's got to be leaking right here around this O-ring. which is kind of uncommon. So anyway, we're gonna put it all back together and get this boat back on the water. Anyway, God bless from the Shade Tree Mechanic, hanging out underneath the old widow hanger out here in the shade tree, and underneath my shade tree out here in the shop. Yep, that's my shop. Anyway, God bless from Oklahoma, Blanchard, USA, working on that there boat.